Welcome to part 2, downloading the course material. So you should be on this page if you're watching this video right now. And what I want you to do is look down at this download section and click on the link right here. This will download all of the course material within a zip file. So click save. And for me, I have it set up such that the default location of where I save my downloads is on my desktop. You might have a different location, such as your downloads folder. Either way, the desktop or the downloads folder is not ideal. It's not an ideal place to put documents. It's good to organize your documents in a structured manner and to place them somewhere else. So let's go ahead and unzip this. And this is the contents of the course material. It'll be the same name, but they'll have some numbers at the end. Those numbers will represent the last time the course was updated, as you can see over here. All right, so let's go ahead and place this somewhere else in our file system. You can put it wherever you want, as long as it's not in the downloads folder or on your desktop. One suggestion is, if you are taking multiple courses, for me, is to create this Dunder Data Courses folder somewhere in your file system, and then just move the actual course contents over there inside of that folder. Okay, so that wraps it up for downloading the course material.